Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Battington. Today's video, sorry, I thought I wasn't wearing my mic. I panicked just a bit. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, which was naturally enticing. Did you guys just see the craziness that happened? My camera like just popped out of the thing that was holding it. Look at my cat, he looks stressed. He looks stressed. Anyways, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, today's video is going to be an exciting one! Per usual, today's video is going to be my June BoxyCharm unboxing, yeah! I'm sorry this is coming to you a little bit late. I don't know, BoxyCharm did something weird with their shipping this month. There was like a post on a Facebook group or something. I don't know. Apparently they tried a new shipping thing and I don't know if I'm going to be obsessed with it because usually I get this pretty early in the month and I feel like I'm late to the game. But with that said, since I'm late to the game, I get to film it at home and now I'm going to do it try-on style for you. Normally I just, I'm already dolled up and I do things. What? I'm already dolled up and I just swatch for you, but today I'm going to actually try on the items that are in the box and use the items that are in the box. So, do you want to do that? I think we should do that. Let's do that right now. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every week. And if you want to follow me on my other social media, I'll put it on the screen here. Battington is for makeup related stuff, which is probably why you're here right now. If you're interested in fitness stuff, I'll put it on the screen here. It is Battington, and that's my fitness Instagram. And now I think we should just go ahead and get into this box. Let's do it. If you would like to see me open up and show you and try on all the items in this month's BoxyCharm, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I realized in the beginning of the intro I forgot to tell you what BoxyCharm is, so I'll really quickly do like a auctioneer voice and give that to you. BoxyCharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where for $21 a month they for $21 a month they will drop off one of these beautiful little boxes at whatever address you give them, and it comes to 45 full-size products for you to try and love, and it typically retails for over $100 and you only pay $21, so I think that's a good deal and that's very good. I cannot believe I talked that fast and only messed up like once. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this. I went ahead and threw on some brows and gave a little look-see in the box here so I would know what I needed to not do so that we could, test it in this obviously. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out here is a sample size of the a sample size of the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I have seen this all over YouTube and I've never tried it. Wow, I cannot speak right now and my cat is being so inappropriate. Hey, maybe not. Maybe not at the moment. Maybe not. Okay, belly's fine. Okay, so this is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. It is a lotion. My mom gets BoxyCharm too, and she asked me, she's like, does that mean it's for your butt? I was like, I don't think so, Mom. I think that's just what they call it. So it is a lotion. I guess I will open it up and try it on. It is a travel size. I assume they couldn't fit the whole size in our box. That's probably why we got this little bitty guy. Ooh. That smells so good. That's like I want to drink that. That's like a pina colada that you rub on your body, and I can get behind something like that. So I'll just put a little bit on, let you guys know how moisturizing it is. It's a weird thing to demo, so we'll just go ahead and rub her in. Oh, that smell is so good. Alright, so this is a travel size item and it retails for $10. Just an FYI. Okay, the next item in the box here is this guy, which I did see a spoiler on, and these are by the brand Paddington Lashes. It is a pair of lashes here. So these lashes by Battington are, silk lashes, and they retail for $28. I personally don't wear lashes, so I'm not going to put these on. I'm going to save them and maybe give them to my mom after I make a decision. But that is them there, and look how pretty they are. I might try them on at some point. I'm not going to do it today because I'm going out after this, and I don't need to be this extra. I just don't. But maybe for another look, we will see. So you might have to subscribe to come back and see them later. Okay, the next thing I see in the box is this, which I am so stoked on. This is 3 Luxie brushes, and this retails for $42. I've said it before, and I've said it every month in every BoxyCharm video ever. I love getting freaking makeup brushes because I hate buying them, and Luxie brushes are bomb, dude. Bomb. Ah! I spilled them. I spilled them down. Okay, so mine came a little fugged. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. It's a little messed up. They're all a little smooshed except for this guy. This guy is perfectly good. But let me see what these are supposed to be used for. Okay, so this little tapered guy here is meant to be a precision foundation brush. This little guy here that's a little bit messed up is meant to be a tapered highlighting brush. And then this little guy right here, this little flattened guy, is a duo fiber powder brush. Wow, that was really hard to say for me. Can't tell you why, it just was. And this 3-pack retails for $42, which is a really good deal. I'm sure if I wash these, they'll go back to their normal shape. And Luxie brushes in the past have been great. But let me go ahead and put on a little blush with this one, a little contour, a little highlight, and show you how they work. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer here, and this one is the Precision Foundation brush. I wouldn't use this for foundation, but for contour, it would be pretty good. So I'm gonna just go into this guy here and contour out the cheeks a little bit. Perfect. This is the exact shape of brush I like for my contour because it kind of is a little bit flat on the side and it comes to a point, and that is what I like for my contour. So I can get right in that cheekbone, and then when it's got like the slant, it kind of blends itself out because of the taper. I love it. Yes, my sweet. Now you want to show me my new hat? Let me see. Oh, that's cool. Let me see.
Okay. Perfect?
It's perfect. I look cool. My husband just sewed this patch on for me for my cool new hat. Yes. Okay, back to what we were doing here. All right, so that is my contour using the Precision Foundation brush, which I think applied it very nicely. Now I'm going to go in with the tapered highlighting brush, and I'm going to put on some highlighter. Which highlight do I want to wear today? I want to do something a little lighter today, so I'm going to go with the Essence Pure Nude, which I used to use constantly. I'm going to just go on in there, get my cheekbones. Ooh, this works really well. I knew it would. I've had a Luxie highlight brush before, not this one, but I knew it would work well. I like these types of brushes for highlight too. Okay, and there is the highlighter applied with the tapered highlight brush, which obviously looks beautiful. Come on, we knew it would. We all knew it would. I just dropped my brush in the bum bum stickum. It looks gross. All right, and now we're gonna go in with the Duo Fiber powder brush, which I'm gonna use for blush because I like Duo Fiber brushes for blush personally. And I'm gonna take Toasted Cinnamon by Burt's Bees, which is the most beautiful blush of all time. And I'm just going to pick it up on this Duo Fiber brush and hit them cheeks. See, doesn't that look pretty? Duo Fiber just gives like a nice wash of color. It's so good for blush. Do a little on the nose and the other cheek. Ooh, I'm nice and blushed. So much blush. Very nice. I very much like these brushes, and I do think they are worth the money, I guess. I mean, these brushes are $42. The box costs $21, so you're getting the brushes half off plus everything else in the box. I mean, I don't know about you, but I think that's a good plan. All right. The next item we're going to use from the box is this guy right here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this right here, okay, forgive me if I butcher this, I'm so sorry. This is the Alomar Reina de Caribe Volume 1 eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $28. Please let me know down below if I got that right, because I tried so hard. So this is a new makeup brand that I believe the girl who created this actually worked or works for BoxyCharm, and when I saw this, I wanted to buy it, but as you have, if you've seen my channel before, you know I'm being more selective with my palettes, so I didn't buy it, and I'm glad I didn't because it was in the BoxyCharm, and I'm so excited because look at this color scheme, bro. Wait, let me take off the little stickum. That is so beautiful that I don't even know what to do. So I'm gonna quickly create a little eye look with this. Nothing too crazy. I'm just going to do something simple, and then I'll do swatches of the rest for you. Let's go ahead and throw on some of these shades. I'm very excited. I have been looking forward to this since I saw a spoiler because I see spoilers. Okay, I'm first going to take the shade Cocoa Taxi because I swear to you, I keep just staring at it and I need that on my eyes. And that is it on the brush there, pretty pigmented. I'm going to put that all up in this crease, you better believe it, and on that lower lash line. So let's go. That is so beautiful. All right, next I'm gonna go in with the shade Tropico here. Beautiful orange. I am excited. That is extremely orange. I look a little crazy, but it'll come together. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the shade Guantanamera, hopefully. Like a deep dark red. Okay, and last we're gonna go in with the shade Cafecito here. And we're gonna take that and get the outer corner a bit. That looks cool! I did forget there's one more thing I want to do. I want to take the shade right here, La Costa, and get that inner corner so we have a little more brightness up in this piece. That's a pretty inner corner highlight, actually. It's really pretty. That, like, took it to a whole nother level. I love that. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry, and I know that the volume is going to be complete garbage right now, but I forgot when I was filming to do the swatches for you, the eyeshadow palette, and I realized it in editing, so I just went and did them real quick for you. And these are all of the shades there because I don't want you to miss out on the shades that I didn't get to use because I know that those blues are like gorgeous and everything and I would want to see them if I were you. So there they are there. Sorry, this is so random and the volume is probably ass, but these are the swatches here and I hope that they are helpful and I hope that you are enjoying this video so far and you'll see the rest. Thank you and goodbye. Okay, next thing we have in the box so that I can put on some mascara and not look crazy is this eyeliner pencil. This is from the brand Agente Blue, which we have gotten something from them in the past, but I think it was a lip liner. And this is in the shade Dark Brown. So I'm going to pop that in my waterline real quick. It's a wooden pencil. Went on pretty nicely. I don't really do my waterline very much, but I mean, if you saw my latest video, which if you haven't, I'll link it up here. I did a review on the Lunar Beauty palette, and the look called for black eyeliner in the waterline, and I did it, and I was like, maybe I do like myself like that because I looked really, really nice, I thought. So if you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it, but I'm going to put this brown in my waterline. See how that looks. Need a mirror. Gotta get closer, guys. Sorry if you see this. That's a pretty color. It makes my eyes look a little small, but that's just dark colors in there in general. I gotta get used to it. Alright, so am I obsessed with that pencil? Not really. Alright, so this pencil retails for $5. It's not my favorite. I felt like I had to kind of back and forth to get color, and it's not especially comfortable for me since I don't do waterline work that often anyway. So I might not use this again just for that, but I might, who knows. But for now, it's like, it's fine. It's $5 though, so it's kind of like, if you like brown eyeliner and you like being in your waterline, this might be a great option for you. It just kind of depends on your preferences. Okay, so now that we have the eyes completed with the palette, give me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this eye look with the liner and everything. And if you would want a standalone review on that palette, also let me know and I'd be happy to do it. And I will go on with the last item, which is missing. Where'd it go? It fell out. It's right here. This here is an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick and it retails for $21, and this is in the shade Verona. It doesn't look exactly like a me shade, but you know what? I often surprise myself, so we're gonna try her on. I do love how these smell. Whoa. Maybe it would help if I didn't block the camera, huh? Maybe. Maybe. Okay guys, so this is the completed look using all the items from BoxyCharm. So this lipstick is not a shade for me. This is not a me shade at all. But if you like this shade, or if you get a different shade, which comment down below and let me know if you did, you will like this formula. It's a really like It's a cushiony formula. Like, I feel like Ofra liquid lipsticks feel the way that photos of liquid lipstick look. You know what I mean? Like that soft velvet that we hardly ever actually experience with a liquid lipstick. I feel like that's what Ofras feel like. So if you haven't tried them, I think you should. And if you have, then you'll like this. No. And also, if you were interested in buying one of those lipsticks, it's the same price as the box. So if you are interested in signing up, I will put a link for it down below, just so you know. All right, and that is everything we got in the box. The overall retail value of the box this month is $134, and you pay $21. For me, it's kind of a no-brainer. It's my favorite subscription service. Hashtag not sponsored. I just legitimately love it, and if you haven't tried it, I would suggest. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Yeah, I guess that completes this video. Again, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put out new videos every week, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, which we are so close, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and you will need to be subscribed to be entered, so make sure to do that. And make sure to give me a comment down below and just say hi, like you came, you hung out, you came, you saw, you conquered. Say hi to me. Say hi, Dooders. Say hi, Dooders cat. He doesn't care about nothing. Nothing. And that's going to be it. But if you are still watching videos, as I suspect you are, you should go ahead and click on one of these videos over here. These are videos that I put up in the past. And if you click on my face right over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel. So you're getting out all the time. I think you should do this. I think it's a good idea. Okay. Okay, goodbye.